The human brain is an enigma, a universe unto itself. It is the most complex structure known, more intricate than any galaxy we have observed. This 3-pound organ, nestled within our skulls, is the seat of our consciousness, the source of our thoughts, dreams, and emotions. How did this extraordinary organ come to be? The story of the human brain is a tale spanning millions of years. It is a journey of evolution, a process of gradual change driven by the relentless forces of natural selection. Over countless generations, our ancestors' brains adapted to the challenges of survival, paving the way for the emergence of our species, Homo sapiens. Understanding the evolution of the human brain is not just an academic exercise, it is a journey into understanding ourselves, our place in the grand scheme of life, and the very essence of what makes us human. By tracing the footprints of our ancestors, we unlock the secrets of our own minds. This is the story of that extraordinary journey. Our story begins in Africa, the cradle of humankind. Around 6 million years ago, our lineage diverged from that of our closest living relatives, the chimpanzees. These early hominins, our ancient ancestors, possessed brains roughly the size of a chimpanzee's, about 300 to 400 cubic centimeters in volume. Life for these early hominins was challenging. They navigated a world teeming with predators, relying on their wits and limited tools to survive. Their brains, while smaller than ours, were already evolving, adapting to the demands of their environment. These early hominins, like the famous Lucy, Australopithecus afarensis, walked upright, freeing their hands for tool use and carrying. This seemingly simple change had profound implications for brain development. As the millennia passed, a remarkable trend emerged. The hominin brain began to grow. Around 2.5 million years ago, with the emergence of the genus Homo, brain size began to increase dramatically. Homo habilis, the handyman, emerged with a brain size of around 600 cubic centimeters, nearly double that of our earliest ancestors. What drove this remarkable expansion of the human brain? Scientists believe a confluence of factors played a role, including environmental pressures, dietary changes, and the increasing complexity of social life. A larger brain, while energetically expensive, offered a significant advantage. It allowed for greater intelligence, better problem-solving abilities, and the capacity for more complex social interactions. In the relentless struggle for survival, a larger brain was a game-changer. The evolution of the human brain was intimately intertwined with the development of tool use. As our ancestors' brains grew, so too did their capacity for crafting and utilizing tools. Early stone tools, simple yet effective, allowed them to access new food sources, hunt more effectively, and defend themselves against predators. The act of tool-making itself may have fueled brain development. The intricate hand movements, the planning and foresight required, and the cognitive demands of shaping and using tools all likely contributed to the growth and complexity of certain brain regions. The relationship between brain and hand was a two-way street. As the brain evolved, the hands became more dexterous, capable of even finer manipulation and more intricate tool-making. This feedback loop, this interplay between brain and hand, propelled our ancestors further along the path to human intelligence.